Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money on Instagram with affiliate marketing. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial where I'm going to show you guys from step 1 to the very end on how to set up an affiliate marketing free traffic campaign using Instagram. So I hope you guys are excited. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this, you guys want to see more videos like this. Hey guys, so again, today I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money on Instagram. Typically, we've been doing these videos with like clickbank products or e-commerce products for like ebooks and things like that. Today I decided to switch it up. I'm going to show you guys how to make money online every day with a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this with sweepstake offers. So of course, it's not going to be a crazy amount of money unless you really scale this process. Just because CPA offers are a little obviously lower in the price of what you get paid out compared to affiliate products where they can be like 20, 30, upwards over $100 per lead that you send in. This is going to be more like $1, $2, $3 every time every conversion goes through. But of course, it's more likely to happen just because there is no payments involved. It's just them signing up for, basic account information like email and their names and phone numbers usually. Some, normal sweepstakes stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to take advantage of Instagram to be able to make money every single day on with CPA offers. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to go to Max Bounty. I chose Max Bounty because it is one of the most user-friendly, I would say, CPA marketing for beginners networks, and they have a ton of different offers on here that we can take advantage of. So I don't have anything in mind. I'm not going to stick to like any specific country or anything. Typically with me, my pages that I run, they get a lot of traffic from the United States. So I tend to look for United States offers when I run traffic offers like this. Now, if you're in a country where you are, maybe like you live in Spain or France or something and you have a lot more traffic obviously from those areas, you're going to want to look at offers within those areas because it's just going to convert a lot better for you. So what we can do is I'm just going to take a look at some of the new campaigns here that are showing up. We'll just see what kind of sweepstake offers that are in here, vouchers. So it looks like they have a Popeyes gift card one. So we could do something around that. This one is win an iPhone 11, so of course people want to win an iPhone 11 right now. This looks like some sort of app. Pringles. So let's do this. I am actually gonna, just because I'm seeing a lot of other countries in here. So do a little search, make sure it's mobile optimized too actually. Let me research because we're doing this on Instagram, so it's going to be mobile traffic. And then let's see. So this one could be pretty good. Just for right now because it is Halloween, it'll be a pretty good example. So this one is win a $100 gift card to Party City this Halloween. So with it being October right now, this would be a good one to promote because Halloween is obviously around the corner. So what we can do is we can try and promote this with an Instagram page. So what we would need to do is first we would of course need to get our Instagram page set up here. So to do that, what we would do is we would want to start our brand new Instagram page from scratch. And we would want to post relevant photos on here surrounding Halloween, things that have to do with Halloween. So let's see if there's any other pages right now that have anything Halloween kind of going on. Let's see. So it looks like, oh, type in Halloween now. There. I know this is a Halloween store, so we could use this for example. So for example, this Halloween, Spirit Halloween is a Halloween store that comes around basically around the month of Halloween, and they basically come into certain locations that are kind of like where there's a lot of traffic. They might have a really big open building that they can just fill full of Halloween products. And basically, during these times, people will come to these stores knowing that they're going to have a lot of great Halloween products specifically, since that's pretty much the only time this store is around. And they make a ton of money on Halloween products. So what we could do is we could basically take an idea of kind of what they're posting about for Halloween. We could maybe take some of these photos and repost them ourselves, and build our own Instagram pages around Halloween stuff. So with it being October, what you can do is you could start following people who like the hashtag Halloween. You could start liking the people that like the stuff about Halloween. You could start commenting on people who are posting about Halloween within the hashtags here, and really start building an Instagram page around Halloween. So just like they did here for their business, they built, they offer discounts. We're not doing that because that's going to be for a CPA offer or affiliate offer. We're going to be doing it just to get them to our ClickFunnels bridge page to try and get them to convert on the sweepstake offer. So again, that's how you would kind of want to position your page. I'm not going to go through and obviously post a bunch of photos and stuff right now. It takes quite a long time, especially since I'm doing this from a desktop. You aren't able to post on a desktop here, so I'm not going to do that myself. I think you guys get the idea of how to build these pages. It's pretty simple. Obviously, you're just going to pick a niche that you're going to want to promote in, and then you're going to want to post quality content around that specific niche. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing for anything that you guys have seen with most of our other videos regarding free traffic, either with Twitter, Pinterest, all these types of things, even your own blogging sites. You're going to be posting about relevant stuff to these offers. So it's pretty straightforward in terms of what you guys need to do on your actual Instagram accounts. Now, I understand that growing the accounts can be a little tough, but that's where you're going to want to find relative hashtags to follow these people off of, like these people, DM these people, comment on their things, and all of these things, if you're consistent with it, will actually bring traffic to your page as well too. And if you're sharing stuff that is related to what you're searching the hashtags based off of, you're going to get traffic to your pages, you're going to get traffic to your offers, and you're going to get conversions. And like I said, this can be every day. I do have some campaigns that do the same exact thing. Every single day I have income coming in from things like this. So although it might not be super, super large, if you start building out different things and having them go, it can be a nice little separate income for you to make online. So now that we understand how to make the pages, what we're going to do now is we need to connect the CPA offer from Instagram, from Max Bounty to Instagram. And obviously you guys know we can't do direct linking. That will get our accounts banned. And most of the time it actually doesn't even accept the link to begin with. So that's why the purpose of having the landing page is to send the traffic from Instagram to the affiliate offer or the CPA offer, and safely without having any kind of issues. So that's what we're going to do now. I've already got a basic funnel already pulled up here. You can find this funnel within the AFK form. So if you guys still haven't already liked and subscribed to the channel or signed up for the AFK form, make sure you guys do that now. You guys can find a lot of great information just like this ClickFunnels template that we use, all of our affiliates use. So this is a great template to base everything off. It's been tested by tons and tons of people and is known to work. So it's a great starting point with any kind of landing page or any kind of funnel needed to get your traffic to your offers. So what we'll go ahead and to do here today, since we decided on this Halloween offer, so this one, yeah, we will need to find some Halloween stuff to put up here and back here. What I'm going to do for the background is I'm just going to set a color, and I'll probably just do orange since that is a Halloween kind of color. And now we just need to find an image. So I'm going to go to Google, and I'm just going to type in Halloween. And there should be a lot of great stuff, obviously, that you see. So I'm going to download a couple. Just bear with me a couple minutes. I'm doing this all with you guys so that you guys can see exactly how I would do it. All right. So I'm sure one of those will work. So you would click up here where you can add the image. Now, if you guys don't have this up here, I know some of the funnels maybe don't. It's real super easy to get. All you do is go to Elements, you hit Add Element, and then you would click right here for an image, and that would bring you over here where I have it placed up right now. So from there, you can click right here, and we're going to click where it says Image, and we're going to go and upload these images that I just found on Google. So let's see where they're at. So here's one. Where'd the other one go? Oh, here's the other one. I think we just did two, right? All right, so we'll just wait a minute. And let's see. So now we can just basically add it. So we have that up here. And now we can change to an ad copy, change our ad copy to something more relative. So $100 Party City gift card this Halloween. And then I always like to kind of bold things out so that way they kind of stand out. And then for the questions, for me, I'm just going to keep these the same. Obviously, I know the traffic's coming from Instagram, so I want to make sure that that is the option here for that. And then, let's see, let me save this. And then the second one is where are you from? So it's just going to have different traffic options. Obviously, because this is from Instagram and we're doing free traffic, we don't really know exactly where they're coming from. So that's why I put other as an option down here, because I want to make sure that there's always something to be chosen and they don't just get stopped in their tracks right here and turn around. So I want to make sure that other is always an option. And then from here, the only other thing that we need to do is come up here to Outcomes and click on Default Outcome Action. And this right here is where we're going to put our redirect to our affiliate link. So I'm going to go back to Max Bounty. I'm going to go ahead and build a tracking link. It's going to be for social. It's going to be for raw. It's going to be a raw link. And then just so I know where this is coming from, I'm going to put IG, bio. That way I know. So there we go. Forgot to apply it. So there we go. And then I'm just going to paste that here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And then I want to double check because this is on mobile. This right now is obviously a desktop view. I want to make sure that mobile-wise, this is good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to mobile. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. And then you just want to update these privacy policy links down here at the bottom with the ones that are on the actual landing page itself. Do I still have it? I never opened it, huh? So this is it. This is the actual landing page. It's just going to be, again, a Party City $100 voucher, and then where do you shop? And then you can find the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and information right here at the bottom. So you just link those to your actual ClickFunnels page down here, hit save. You would go back. You would copy this new ClickFunnels link here. Oops. Copy it. And then I would recommend going to bit.ly so that way you don't have this extremely long ClickFunnels link, ClickFunnels URL. and then I would just shorten it. Here it is. I always use the same funnel every day, so obviously you guys can see that every video that I make for you guys, it just has the same URL because it is the same one. But what you would do at this point is you would come back over to your Instagram profile, you would hit edit profile, and you would upload this URL right here, like so, and then come down and hit submit. Mine's grayed out because it is the same link, but yours would be blue. You would just hit submit. It's going to bring you back to your page and you'll be ready to go. So obviously my page is about dogs. If I start posting this stuff, trying to get them to sign up for a Halloween offer, it's probably not going to convert really well. So again, guys, this is where you would start building your brand new Instagram account based off Halloween products. That way people could start wanting to come. The people, at least in the United States, will know what Party City is. They'll go to your link in your bio here. And then if they're interested, they'll go ahead and fill out the information and you will get paid your commission.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.